How to create a Discover bank account. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to create a Discover bank account online so you can start managing your finances effortlessly. Open your browser and go to discover.com. Alternatively, you can download the Discover mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. On the home page, click on Open Account button to begin the account setup process. Choose the type of account you'd like to open. Discover offers a range of options including checkings account, savings account, and money market accounts. So pick the one that suits your needs. Provide the necessary personal details such as your full name, address, email, phone number, and date of birth. You'll also need to supply your social security number for identity verification. Create a username and password for secure access to your online banking account, and make sure to choose something strong to protect your account. If you plan on transferring funds into or out of your new Discover account, link an external account by providing your bank's routing and account number. Review Discover's terms and conditions, and once you're ready, click Agree to proceed. You may be asked to verify your identity by submitting a photo ID or answering security questions, so follow the prompts to complete this step. After reviewing all the information you've entered, click Submit to send your application for review. You'll receive an email confirmation once your account has been approved, and you can now log into your Discover account and start using it. And that's it. You've successfully created your Discover bank account. You can now manage your finances, pay bills, and more, all from the comfort of your phone or computer. Thanks for watching.